Hi there, Chris Pace from McGrath Estate Agents. Now, do we have a ripping new listing to show you through here at 8 Malabar Court? We are situated literally 10 minutes from having your toes in the sand at world famous Malabar Beach. And we're also in the highly sought after school catchment zone for Mountain Creek. Let's go and take a look. Set in a quiet cul-de-sac on a 645 square metre block in a family-friendly neighbourhood, 8 Malabar Court was built in the year 2000, but has just been given a fantastic freshen up by our sellers with a full internal paint and a brand new stone kitchen. Private alfresco overlooking the backyard pool has a perfect northeasterly aspect for the coming summer months. The double garage has been converted to a multi-purpose room and offers a range of possibilities from a home-based business, a teenage retreat, or a media room. Presented in immaculate condition and set in a wonderful location, this one will not last long. Please call Miles Blackwell or myself for further information, or we look forward to seeing you at one of our upcoming inspections. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.